Welcome back to your maths class. Today I will be teaching you certain important rules for doing numericals on exponents or powers. So our first rule is p by q within bracket raised to the power n. So this one we can write it equal to p by p raised to the power n divided by q raised to the power n, or p power p raised to the power n by q raised to the power n. For example, I have taken within bracket I have written 2 by 3 raised to the power 3. So next step we can write it as 2 raised to the power 3 by 3 raised to the power 3. This means 2 we can write 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. And 3 we can write 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. So what will be our answer? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. And here 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So our answer will be 8 by 27. Now next rule is, second rule, x raised to the power minus n. X raised to the power minus n. So when our power is minus, so what we do? We reciprocate it. So it will be 1 by x. It will be within bracket and power will be n. 1 by x, power will be n. This will be equal to 1 x to the power raised to the power x raised to the power n. For example, I am writing 4 raised to the power minus 2. So base is 4 and our power is minus 2. So how we can write it? As it is given minus, so we can reciprocate it. So it will be 1 by 4. This will be within bracket and our power will be 2. So 1 into 1 and 4 into 4. So answer will be 1 by 16. Then number 3 is p by q within bracket raised to the power minus 9. P by q raised to the power minus 9. Again our power is minus, so what we will do? We will reciprocate it. We will be reciprocating it, means q by p within bracket n. So this one we can write as, according to the first rule, we can write it as q raised to the power n by p raised to the power n. For example, let us take 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. So how we will write? 4 by 3 reciprocating. We will reciprocal 4 by 3 power 2, or 4 raised to the power 2 by 3 raised to the power 2. Then fourth number is a to the power 0 equal to 1. Whenever our power is 0, the value will be 1. Suppose I am writing p to the power 0. So what will be our value? 1. Or 5 to the power 0. So our value will be 1. 6 to the power 0. Our value will be 1. Then number 5. X raised to the power m into x raised to the power n. Now see it carefully. Here you see our base is same. So when base is same, we can write it one time. Single x we will write. Then as it is given multiply, so power we will add. So power is m and here power is n. So it will be m plus n. Let us take one example. I have written 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 3. So now you see base is same. So one time we can write 2 and what is our power? 2 and 3. So what we will write? Multiplication is here. So power will be plus 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So what will be our answer? 2 raised to the power 5. Then number 6. X m divided by x to the power raised to the power n. X raised to the power m divided by x raised to the power n. So base is same. One time we can write. So in case of multiplication, power we add, and in case of divide, power we deduct or minus. M minus n. For example, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So what we can write? 2 divide is 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. So we can write it equal to, base is same. So one time we have written 2, as it is divide, so power we will deduct. 3 minus 2. So our answer will be 2 to the power 2 raised to the power 1. Then next one, x raised to the power m within bracket, then outside bracket raised to the power n. So we can, what we have to do, multiply m into n. So base will be x, then m into n. So our answer will be x m n. Let us take an example. I have written 3 raised to the power 2 within bracket, again I have written power 3. So base is 3 and 2 into 3 equal 3. 2 3s are 6. Then next one is xy within bracket raised to the power n. This you can write as x to the power n, y to the power n. X to the power n, y to the power n means multiply. For example, 2 into 3 raised to the power n. 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. So what we will write? 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. Then number 9 is x by y within bracket raised to the power n. So how we can write? X raised to the power n by y raised to the power n. Then last one, x into y within bracket raised to the power n. So we can write it x power raised to the power n into y raised to the power n. So this is same as number 8. 10 is same as number 8. I hope you have understood it.